Hello and welcome everyone. My name is Omar from Detector Shop Company in Dubai. We're authorized agent in Dubai and Middle East to sell all detectors that can detect gold, metals and underground water. Today we're going to present you the best Trojan hunting device, Deep Seeker from GER Detect Factory. This device can detect gold, all type of metals, diamonds, cavities and tunnels with a depth that can reach 40 meters and front range of 3,000 meters. And now we'll talk about the accessories of the device. First, we have the tablet case. We have the tablet plus the tablet holder. And here we have the sensor holder plus the main unit. Here we have the imaging sensor, the ionic sensor, and the long range sensor, plus all the antennas that comes with it. And we have here the long range unit, the unit holder, the battery, all the charging accessories that comes with the Deep Seeker, plus we have a waterproof and shock resistant bag. And now we're going to start with first the ionic sensor in the next video. And now we'll show you guys how to install the ionic system in the Deep Seeker. First we're going to grab the main unit plus the unit holder. We're going to slide the holder like that. And then we're going to grab the ionic sensor. And we can also extend the antenna. And then we're going to grab the battery of the device. And turn on the battery. And click the on-off button. And now we'll show you guys how to use the ionic system. Now this system helps us to find the ionic radiation that's coming from precious metals. So we'll go now and select the language, English, ionic system. And we're going to face always north to south. And now the ionic system is ready with us. Let's see in the next video how we can use the ionic system. And now the first thing, we're going to put the battery here. Or we can put it in our belt. And second thing, we're going to extend our antenna and press on the ground balance button and raise our hand like this, and we're going to wave from left to right in this position. Or also we can walk and searching for ionic radiation. And also we can use up and downs if we are in hills. And now we'll use the long range system, which is the second system in the Deep Seeker. First we're going to grab the long range sensor. And then we're going to take the long range unit, put it here on the top, the first antenna. The second antenna, the small sensors, and the last small antenna here. And now we'll show you guys how to select the long range system in the main unit. First, we're going to press in English, then the long range system, and then we have to choose our target type. We have buried gold, bronze, gold nuggets, cavity, diamonds and silver. We're going to choose buried gold, for example. And we have to select now our soil type. We have normal, clay, mineralized, sandy, mixed, and rocky. We'll choose normal. And then we have to choose our front range that starts from 500 meters until 3,000 meters. We're going to face north to south and press on the red arrow. And now let's see in the next video how we can use the long range system. First thing we're going to do is hold the main unit in this position and aim it a little bit downwards. And second, we're going to extend our antenna and face north to south. After that, we're going to continue walking. If we have a signal towards the right, we're going to turn with the device carefully and face that direction. Again, if we have a direction, let's say to the left, the device will give us a signal to the left, and we're going to continue following the signal. Now if we are above the target, the device will turn fully towards the back. That means we are above the target, and now we're going to square our target. Now let's say our target is in this position and the antenna turns fully to the back. Now we're going to need to square our target in order to find the deviation that's coming from the ground. So we're going to step back 2 meters, the first step, and we will hold the device in a straight position. After that, we're going to continue walking, and we will have a signal towards the back, and we're going to draw our first line. And then we're going to face the other direction and continue walking until the antenna turns towards the back, and we're going to draw our second line. And after that, we're going to step back 2 meters from that position and continue walking until the antenna turns fully to the back. We're going to draw our third line, and second, we're going to continue walking from that direction, and the antenna will turn fully towards the back. And that means we finished squaring our target, and we're going to use the 3D imaging system. And now we'll show you guys how to install our third system, the 3D imaging system. First, we're going to grab the main unit, and we have here the sensor holder. We're going to install it like that. Make sure it's tight. And then we're going to grab the 3D imaging sensor. And also we can tighten it from here. And now it's ready with us. And now we're going to use the 3D imaging system, which has helped us to find the size, the shape, and the depth of our target. We're going to press in English, and then the 3D imaging system. And then we're going to click on the red arrow, and we'll move now to the tablet here and select the GR 3D viewer. After that, we're going to select our language. We'll press English, and we have to select our device, Deep Seeker. We're going to wait until it's connected, and we're going to have the green check mark. And then we have the scan direction. We can choose the zigzag or the parallel scan. Also, we have to choose now our number of lines, 4 lines, and the number of steps, 5 steps. We have 99 steps that we can choose in the Deep Seeker. Also, we have 99 lines we can choose in the Deep Seeker. We're going to press OK, and we're going to have a message here that's saying connected to the device. And now let's see in the next video how we can use the 3D imaging system. And now we'll show you guys how to use the 3D imaging system. First, we're going to start from left to right, and we're going to keep the device on the right side of us and the sensor between 2 to 10 centimeters. And also we have the button, or the 3D button on the screen. We're going to press it in each step we're going to take. And also considering 30 centimeter distance between each steps. We're going to click now on the 3D button. First image, second image, And now we're going to go back to the second line, since we choose the parallel, and take a step to the right. And now, after we finish taking the pictures on the 3D imaging system, we're going to analyze the picture on the tablet. First, we have the picture here in the 2D mode. We can press here with one button, and we can see the picture in the 3D option. We're going to explain now the icons. First, we have this icon that we can see our saved files. We're going to see it here if we finish saving the picture. Also, the green picture, while taking the pictures, we can press on it if we have a mistake, and it's going to reset taking the pictures. After that, we have this icon that we can name the file, and we can save it as GER, for example. And we're going to press done, and we're going to go back and see the file saved here. After that, we have the PNG icon that we can print and save the file to print it. And also we have that button to reset the picture to the default mode. And we have also this button to take off the grid lines, and we can put it on. And for this button, for the 3D, and if we press it one more time, it's going to become 2D. Also, we have this picture, this icon, to decrease and decrease salts, minerals that's in the soil here. So we can increase it and decrease it. And also, if we put the picture in the 3D mode, and we can zoom out the picture, we can decrease and decrease the height of the picture for the cavities and for the metals. Now for the colors, the blue for cavities, for the green, the normal soil, and the red for metals, and also we have here the yellow and orange for high mineralized soil. And also with one click here we can see the depth. So we have here, for example, 12.47 meters, and we have here 9.86 meters, and a different depth. After that, with one click here, we can see the values. Now the values is very important, as we can see how close we are if we have a real target. So the closer the target, between 20 values, the more high chance that we have a real target here. And now we'll see together our final system, which is the magnetometer and cavity detecting search system. First, we're going to press in the English, and then the magnetometer. After that, we're going to face north to south, and we're going to click on the red arrow. After that, we have the metals sign, and we have the gap sign. If we have a metals, it's going to show us in red here, and also the sound will increase the closer we are to the target. And here we have the cavity detecting search system. Now if we have a cavity, it will show us in a blue indicator, and the signal will increase the closer we are to the target. And now let's see in the next video how we can use this system. And now we'll show you guys how we use the magnetometer and cavity detection search system. First, we're going to hold the device in this position. So in this system, we can use it either in the ground or at the wall. We're going to press on the ground balance button, and we can walk in this way in straight lines, or also we can move in this way. So there is no specific lines that we can select, but we have always to walk in straight line. Deep Seeker supports the keypad buttons and also the touchscreen buttons. It also supported 6 different languages. We can press here in the setting, and also we can increase the sound, and also we can increase and decrease the brightness. And if we press in the information, we can see here the serial number of the device. Deep Seeker is now available in our company, Detector Shop in Dubai. We provide the best prices, free training, and shipping to all countries, plus 5 years of warranty. To order the device or more information, contact us. Thank you for watching.